name is Willem de Pre. I'm the engineering manager and I work for Foresight Holdings. Foresight Holdings specifically looks at digital transformation and assisting customers through their digital transformation journey. We've got clusters looking specifically at the IT sector, the OT sector and the business environment enterprise. So within the operational technology cluster, we've also got 3 subdivisions called the asset automation, asset optimization and asset simulation, where we assist our customers getting the most value out of their operational technology assets. The challenges experienced by the customer was all based around the operability and the usability of their system. They didn't have any reliability as far as redundancy is concerned. They didn't have enough information to make the right decisions. They couldn't maintain the system and they didn't have the right compliance in place with the FDA regulations that's required of a plant of their nature. The Aviva solution that we've gone for is a full system platform-based solution where we implemented a redundant SCADA system, a redundant batching system, as well as a historian. By implementing the solutions, we basically were able to give them more reliability, much more information, as well as uptime of their system, and we addressed the compliance issue through the historian and the reporting that we were able to give them. The Reckitt plant is situated in Elandsfontein on a premise where Reckitt has actually got quite a few production lines going. The one that we specifically upgraded was the dental plant, where we now implemented a full Aviva system platform solution. The possibilities going forward is to implement the same solution or expand it to some of the other production lines on the same premises, where Reckitt can now really reap the benefits of the installation that we did and the platform that we installed. And that's where the value and the future strategy for Reckitt could lie.